Creating a resource sheet in Microsoft Project involves listing and managing all resources needed for your project, including people, equipment, and materials. Here's how to create and use a resource sheet. Open Microsoft Project. Start a new or existing project. Open Microsoft Project and either start a new project or open an existing one. Access the Resource Sheet view. Go to Resource Sheet view. Click on the View tab in the ribbon and select Resource Sheet from the Resource View section. This view allows you to enter and manage resources. Enter resource details. Add resources. In the Resource Sheet view, begin entering your resources. You can add the following information: resource name, type, maximum units, standard rate, overtime rate. Manage resources. Update information. You can update or adjust resource details as needed, including adding availability, costs, and custom fields. Assign resources. Use the Gantt chart view to assign these resources to tasks by selecting tasks and choosing resources from the list.